So here I have one load of washing. It's just been spun at 1600 RPM. It's coming out of our washing machine. A nice load of bed sheets. Let's go and test our condenser tumble dryer. Bear with me. So we move into our drying room. We can see our condenser dryer. Now here's the water reservoir, completely empty, no water in there at all, so we're going to see how much collects when we put our clothes in to dry. Okay, so reservoir is now on the door. I am just going to load up the clothes, so just bear with me 1 minute. Okay, so I now have my condenser dryer filled with my clothes with no water in the reservoir. So let's go and put this on to dry and see what happens. Let's go for a nice long, well, we're not towels. Let's look to store dry, 2 hours and 45 minutes of drying time. So I've started the dryer now. That's all going. We've got 2 hours and 45 minutes of freshly washed sheets going round. We'll come back in 2 hours 45 and see how much water has been extracted.